Okay, so ChatGPT just now released a new feature that allows you to search the web while you're talking to ChatGPT. And this has been one of the most awaited features, and it's finally there. And right now, this has been just released for the paid users, that is the plus level as well as the enterprise level. So without any further ado, let's get ahead and test this, and let's see if it is as good as Perplexity or not. So let's start with a very simple question, that is, what is today's date? And let me just click on this button so that it enables the search feature. Okay, and this is a very easy question. And it says today's date is Friday, November 1, 2024. That's correct. And if you click on this button, it will also show you the different citations as to which all websites did it search to give you that answer. Okay, so that's nice. Let's search what is Apple's current stock price. So it's searching the web and it is 225.91. Okay, and the sources are these. Got it. Nice. Okay, so until now we're sure enough that this feature is working quite well, and it is also giving us the citations. Also, just to be sure, let me also do a quick search here as to what is Apple's current stock price. Okay, and it's 225.91 as you can see here, and that's the same that GPT gave. Okay, so that's accurate. Now let's see how it can help us in our everyday jobs. For example, if you don't know, whenever a new platform releases a new feature and we want to make ChatGPT tell us something about it, ChatGPT is not able to tell us because it doesn't have the knowledge about that new feature. But now it would be able to search the web, get to know the new feature, and then give us the answer. So let's try that. Okay, so how can I process files with OpenAI using make.com? So let's see if it searches make.com in order to give us an answer. Because if it does, then it can be really helpful for us. Otherwise, it gave me my video? Wait, what? Okay, so that's my video, and it does not know that it's my video, but it still gave me my video. So I guess it's a good way to promote my own videos. Anyway, so let's have a look at the sources, and it's from Make, so that's pretty good that it's able to search through the documents and give us answers relating to the new features. And again, it's also giving you YouTube videos, so if you click on it, you can watch the video then and there. So that's pretty good. Let's see what else we can search. Okay, so let's do a new chat here and let's start a whole new conversation. So recommend 5 videos related to the topic, and then let's mention a topic. Let's say something related to something that came out recently. Okay, cloud computer use. So this is a feature that came out very recently, and let's see if it's able to search the web and then give me 5 different options. So right now it gave me the sources. If I click on it, it should take me to YouTube and then watch, okay, and then play a video. Okay, and if you noticed, I did not click on the blue button. It just did the web search without clicking the blue button as well. One more thing, if you want to access this feature, you can also do this / and then select search, and that would do the button for you. And let's say recommend 5 wireless speakers from Amazon, that have a good bass. Okay, and here it is. Oh, this time we also have a good UI. So it has recommended about 5 of these, and I can simply click on it and then go to Amazon and purchase. Okay, pretty well. Overall, I like the feature. And in terms of Perplexity and Google Search, firstly, is it going to replace Google Search completely? So I would say not in the short term, but I can't predict what happens long term. But right now it needs some improvement. But I think people would still prefer Google search over something like this. This just has a benefit while you're talking to ChatGPT, as it lacks quite a few things, right? And then using using this search feature, it can compensate for that. And in terms of Perplexity, that's a controversial topic, to be honest, something that you could debate on, because Perplexity's main USP, that is the unique selling point, is their search feature. And now GPT is doing that, and I think in the near future Claude and Gemini and all of these are also going to do it. Actually, I read an article that said even Gemini is doing this feature recently, so it's really excited that all of these different competitors are releasing a search feature because it's just so powerful. While I was coding with ChatGPT, I had to paste in a lot of things from the web that were new so that it knew. But now I can just click on this button and then tell it, search the web before you give me an answer, and it's going to be accurate. Okay, so overall, that was my review of the new feature. Let me know what you think about this feature in the comments below, and let's have a chat in the comments. If you liked the video, then please like the video and please subscribe. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.